This video demonstrates how to use the new Discussions creation experience. The new Discussions creation experience adopts creation elements from assignments and quizzes, making it familiar and easier to create great course content. In Content, click Create New and then click Discussion. In the primary panel, enter a topic title, grade out of value, and a description. Click Change Form to add the discussion topic to an existing form, or let the system automatically create a new form for your topic. In the Availability Dates and Conditions accordion, enter a start date and end date for your topic. Click Add Release Condition to create or add existing release conditions. In Group and Section Restrictions, you can create restrictions for specific groups of learners. In the Post and Completion accordion, choose how participation is displayed and activated for your topic. Select Post must be approved before they display in the topic if you want to hide learners' posts and approve them before they are released. In the Evaluation and Feedback accordion, click Add Rubric to add a rubric to your topic. Click Manage Learning Objectives to associate learning objectives with your discussion. If you use the Learning Outcomes tool, you'll find the Learning Outcomes button, called Standards, in the primary panel. The Manage Learning Objectives button then disappears. You can choose different options for evaluating posts in the Evaluate Posts section. If you select Allow Evaluation of Individual Posts, you can select a calculation method. Click the Standards button to browse learning outcomes you can associate with your discussion topic. Toggle the visibility of your topic to hidden or visible, then click Save and Close.